Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. And so it's interesting today in the markets, NASDAQ had a super day on Monday, closed back up above the 21, which is, I mean, essentially for me, again, if we close two closes below the 21, that's a sell signal. And then the only way to eradicate that sell signal is to get two closes above the 21. Okay, and that becomes a buy signal. Well, it did not pass today. So the NASDAQ is still in a sell signal for me, and it's got a bear flag. Now that doesn't mean I'm too excited about shorting it, because this thing, you know, there's so many other indexes here that are strong, but it does mean for me, it's okay to look at the short side of some stocks. So one we added today is we bought some puts on STK. It's just like a growth fund. It's just having, no, that's, sorry, that's not it. I was thinking like, that's not right. And that's because it's not right. Yeah, Seagate. So Seagate, I mean, this is a very technical, pattern here. It's ugly, and you've got to squeeze. So I'm looking for, 39 bucks or so. And so this is one that I like in this market because, first of all, the NASDAQ is suspect, right? We don't know if the NASDAQ is going to go higher or not, but either way, even if the NASDAQ does go higher, this stock, looks pretty bearish. And then from there, it's just kind of looking for situations where we're looking to kind of extract some income from the markets. A stock like MasterCard, that looks great. Trip for an income type of a trade is solid. Looking at Grub, Grub for the possibility of a squeeze going higher. And these are all situations where it's more of a stock picker's market. There's more of just kind of that idea that these things could kind of do their own thing regardless of the market. Okay, the market right now, it's a little goofy, and I'm really kind of keeping an eye on this dollar index. If this dollar index squeezes higher, we've seen dollar strength equate to market weakness. Money's flowing into bonds. It's like, okay, so am I really comfortable having a super long portfolio in stocks? And the truth is I'm not. So I want to, stock pick. If I'm going to be long, it's going to be long something that seems to not really be paying attention to the markets, but I also want a sprinkling of shorts. I'm not going to short Facebook. Those stocks seem to continue to surprise news and stuff like that too. I'm not going to short Tesla, but man, that Seagate looks like a great one. Okay, so one of the things this week is I did launch my income trading account. So this is my Tastyworks account. We put in 50K, and the goal with this is from the income class that we're doing is to make 5% a week. Okay, so 5% on a 50K account is $2,500. So here we are, it's Tuesday. Of course, year-to-date P&L matches since I just started trading this on Monday. So I lost $39 today, but up $323 for the week. Okay, so I got to still see if I can make my 5% stretch goals. Like my 2.5% is my kind of planning goal, 5% is my stretch goal. And then I'm also going to be setting up some new trades tomorrow as well, okay, to do this. And so it's great because I've got obviously specific position sizing for each of these based on my 5% goal. So, and for those of you that are, it's like, okay, what's the income stuff? So this is a class I'm in the middle of doing right now. We already did the strategy class on Saturday. That was phenomenal. Great feedback and stuff from that. And then on Monday, we started the first day of our live trading, which specifies these specific income type trades with our goal of getting 5% a week. Okay, that's our stretch goal. So we did our first live class on Monday, the 19th, and then we're going to do the second and third days on the 22nd and 23rd of this week. So that's Thursday and Friday. So if you're looking at this and you're just like, okay, I didn't even know you were doing this class, you can still sign up. The $497, that's the strategy class. That was on Saturday. We recorded it. But you also get this tool that we're using called the 2-week stats tool, and that's what determines where we put our spreads on. And then this $997 includes, at this point now, the recording of the Saturday class includes the 2-week statistical tool and the weekly tool, plus 3 live trading days. Now we've already done 1. So if you're looking at this and going like, all right, this sounds awesome, I can't believe I missed it, you can do the $997, you get the recording of Saturday, so you learn the strategy, you get the recording of Monday, so you can see how and why exactly we placed the trades that we did, and then of course you could still participate in the Thursday and Friday classes. Now by the way, if you're working full-time and can't do it, we're texting out the trades for class participants. So that's simplertrading.com/weekly. And then a lot of people are actually like, well, since you're setting up a new Tastyworks account specifically for income trades, I want to follow you too, and I want to set up a Tastyworks account so I can have an income trade, an income account, and then a more aggressive account. If you would like to set up a Tastyworks account, okay, you can use our link, simplertrading.com/TW. And if you use this link, sign up and fund your account. I think you have to put in at least $2,000, and you can obviously trade it. Then you'll get free copies of all of our Tastyworks training, okay? Plus, at some point, we're going to start transitioning our indicators over to Tastyworks. And if you've already got some of our indicators, then we give you a free license for those because you signed up through our link. So again, if you're interested in Tastyworks, utilize our link like that. You get a lot of free tools plus free licenses for our indicators for the ones that you purchase, so you don't have to buy them again. And that's it. So so far it's been a fun week, and looking forward to seeing you guys for the rest of the class. Have a good one.